Then here is here, like instead of that listing of the last three elements x of individually, you can use the colon with the keywords of and extract the range of elements. So if you will define the some range each and every element, so they're asking to use this x in. So like here, I'm using x of in. Sorry, I'm using double x of in. Hold. X of 2 semicolon n minus 1. Sorry, here I'm using the double x. If something mistake it is there, it will show there is a ultimately written, there is an AND operator it is there. So if you type some mistake here, so when I'm typing the mistake, go back, reset. See, again I'm typing x of in is equal x of two semicolon end of minus 1. See, if here previously I typed the double x here. Oh, what happened? Go back. X of yes, correct. Yeah, when you are typing something wrong, it is show red. That is the AND operator must be used within the array. So with if your array you did some mistake, then its expression, then it will show it's a mistake. So like maybe this is your help out. So if you something you submit wrong, correct one, then it will show the result. I hope everyone is able to see that, no, like how I'm entering the commands, maybe how to I see the result. If is any problem is that there is a hint and solution also it is there. If you want to repractice on that, yeah, directly you can go to the reset and again you enter the commands. So this is easily help out you. Like once you finish this code, then you will get the certificate also from the Matrices directly. So here, if you want like anything, any mistake is there, quickly you can go to the course quick references is there. So they're giving us some documentation also. Then how basically we are accessing the data. If you are not able to catch out like what I'm saying, so if you want again, like maybe if you understand how to define the variable a and me, so here is a clearly it is there. So they given the some how to use the arrow max and how to clear, maybe how to clear the commands. So this is a clear documentation is there. If is anybody have any doubt in future, yeah, clearly it is there. Not only today, like maybe like starting in our each and every data, clearly there is a commands and with the documentation it is there. If you want, like you can take the printout also. You can for your better practice later on. You can practice also.